Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and download and install PayMe application on your mobile device, whether it is iPhone or Android. So this is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. First things first, simply go ahead and open App Store on your iPhone or Play Store on your Android and search for PayMe right over here. Once you've done that, as you can see, there is the wallet that you can find from Control Alt Delete LLC. All you need to do is simply go ahead and click on Get. And once you've done that, simply go ahead and verify that it is you and double click to install it. All right, as you can see, it has downloaded onto your device and installed successfully. All you need to do is tap on open and you'll be on the application before you know it. There you go. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you